How to promote Digistore24 affiliate offers on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can promote the affiliate products from Digistore or the affiliate offers from Digistore24 on your page or your TikTok account. It is very easy and simple to do. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now we are on Digistore24. All you have to do is to register if you don't have an account already. If you have, you click simply on login. Here I'm going to put the email and the password that I have, then simply click on login. We are now on the homepage of our Digistore24 account. As you can see, this is the cockpit that we have, or the dashboard. I am going simply to the marketplace, click on here and click simply on all offers on the affiliate marketplace. This is the marketplace that will show up the products, and here on the left side we have the categories that are available on this website. We have the digital products, we have the event and seminars, services, shipping products, and more. I'm going to choose a product. Let's go ahead and choose any type of product that we have. For example, this is a food supplement section. I'm going to put this one, for example, the medicinal garden kit, or let's go with this medicinal garden kit. This is the good side of the product. Here we have the compliant. This is the commission that you will get. Here we have the promote now. You will get the link and the earnings slash cart visitor. All you have to do is to set up your TikTok account. As you can see here, I have set up a TikTok account now, and I am going to create a video. Since TikTok will only upload the videos, I'm going to use Canva, which is a free tool for design. Then I'm going to create a video with it. I'm simply going to canva.com. Then here on the search bar, I'm going to type only TikTok. Right here we have some templates that you can choose from, or you can go ahead from the blank. I'm going to choose a blank model. Here I have created or chosen the TikTok template because this is the right dimension that we have. Let's go ahead and create a video. You can go ahead and put some videos or some images and combine them from Canva, or you can go ahead to pixels.com, pixels, and you will see some royalty-free images and videos. Now let's go ahead and read something about the product. Here we have the medicinal garden kit. On the pixels or the Canva videos, I am going to choose or select, for example, herbs like this and see what we will have. Here I'm going to choose some videos or some audios. I'm going to put, for example, some videos. This is a video that I can put. I'm going to enlarge this video like this, and here we have the first sequence. I'm going to put another page and add some more images. I can also go to pixels, for example, with the videos. I'm going to put people and herbs, people and plants like this, and I will search for the results right here. We have some videos, and as you can see, this is a yoga training. This is some concentration. This is the thing that we need. This one, I need this one, for example, and or I am going to add or download this video. For example, this is a simple video. I'm going to add it right now. Click on upload. Here I'm going to upload that video. It is a short video. Wait for it, and then I'm going to click on it. And here I'm going to adjust it, and I'm going to shorten the duration of the video to, let's say, 3.2. Now I'm going to add another sequence and choose a video that we have already. This is the video that I'm going to add simply. Here I'm going to adjust it and adjust also the duration of the video. Right here, I'm going to put it as 3 seconds. And now let's go ahead to the first one. Here we have to put some text for the video to be appealing to this medicinal garden kit. I'm going to copy the photo right here, go to this one, and then I'm going to paste it right here. And as you can see, we have the medicinal garden kit. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to delete this version. Put this one as here, for example, and I'm going to add some text. I'm going to put, for example, get yours now. And here I'm going to customize the text, put the color to it. This is the color to it. I'm going to put here, this is get yours now. Then I'm going to put on the elements, I'm going to search for arrow. Here we have some, I'm going to see everything. We have some arrows. This is the arrow that I need. I'm going to flip it here and horizontally and vertically, and as you can see, I'm going to put it smaller, and here we go. You can put this like this, and we are good to go. I'm going to click on these elements. Here we have these elements. For example, this one I'm going to put it on top, this arrow also, and this text also. I'm going to group these like this and copy them for the rest of the videos here also, and here we go. Now I'm going to click on share, download, and I'm going to put a video mp3 or mp4, sorry. I will wait for the video to be downloaded, then I will go directly to the TikTok. Here, the first thing that you have to do is to visit the Digistore24, click on promote. Now I'm going to click copy promo link and go to my profile on TikTok, click on edit profile. Simply on the bio, I am going to put or paste the link that we have. This is the medicinal seed kit. I'm going to click on save, and it will be adding the website here. Now let's go ahead and add the video. As you can see, this is the URL. Click on simply on upload on your TikTok page, and it will be guiding you to the video editor. I'm going to select a video. Let's go with this video. It has a 9-second only. Now we have a description, hashtags, mention, and a cover. I'm going to put, for example, or I'm going to put premium medicine, herb or herb, natural. I'm going to put natural, herb, medicine. And here I'm going to put a comma, get yours now, link in bio. Here we go. You can go ahead and add a cover for the video. I will wait for the video to be uploaded, then I can set up a cover. Here, who can watch this video? You can put everyone, friends only, or only you. This is for the private section. Now, when to post? You can go ahead and post it right now, or you can go and put a schedule. Now here on the description, you have also to put some hashtags. I'm going to put hashtag herbs, for example, herbs, and put another hashtag which is, let's go ahead and add medicine, like this. This is the hashtag. I'm going to add another hashtag, healthy, and I'm going to put hashtag green life, and we are good to go. This is the green life. Now I can edit the cover, and as you can see here we have the video. You can add a music background to the background music to the video from your mobile. It is not possible on the computer section or the computer. You can also edit the video right here on the video editor, and then you click simply on post, and everything will be good. Here I am going to click on manage post and see if the video was uploaded successfully, and it is uploaded and posted. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.